The luxury that Mumbai has never seen before. The luxury of larger spaces. The luxury of internal walkways. The luxury of big internal green spaces. And the luxury of big clubhouses. Yes, for the first time in Mumbai, a king-size life, what North India is known for, is going to be there. Today we are going to talk about the biggest real estate company of India that is foraying into Mumbai. Yes, I'm talking about DLF. As we all know, DLF has made Gurgaon. अगर आप लोगों ने विजिट किया है गुड़गांव के अंदर, so you will see a lot of commercial development, lot of luxury residential development, and majority of these developments are being done by this company. When we talk about Cyber City, when we talk about Cyber Hub, when we talk about DLF Camellias, DLF Aralias, DLF Magnolias, which are one of the most expensive developments of India, it has been done by DLF. DLF has changed द स्काई लाइन ऑफ गुड़गांव। और क्या आपको पता है, सिर्फ डीएलएफ अपने डेवलपमेंट्स के अंदर काम नहीं करता है, बट इनफैक्ट दे वर्क ऑन लॉट ऑफ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट अराउंड इट। दे क्रिएट ए इकोसिस्टम व्हिच जस्टिफाइज लग्जरी एंड सुपर लग्जरी। इनकी जो डेवलपमेंट्स हैं, दोज आर बिल्ट टू लास्ट, एंड द काइंड ऑफ services and the luxury they provide within the lobbies, within the clubhouses are extraordinary. और अगर मैं आपको प्राइस ट्रेजेक्टरी के बारे में बताऊं कि अगर आप इन्वेस्ट करेंगे डीएलएफ के अंदर तो उसके प्राइसेस कहां जाते हैं, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट DLF Aralias. DLF Aralias was launched at 95 lakhs in 2002. Right now it's trading somewhere around 45 crores. DLF Magnolias was launched at 3 crores in 2008. Right now it trades at 50 crores. And DLF Camellias was launched at 20 crores in 2016. Right now it trades somewhere around 75 crores. So that's a kind of magnitude of appreciation that this developer has given over a period of time. और ये appreciation कब आती है? ये appreciation आती है when people see the kind of development that DLF gives. And trust me, because they are entering Mumbai market for the first time, they are going to change the skyline and how real estate works in Mumbai. They are going to give massive premium to their investors. So today we are going to talk about their first residential project that they are going to come up in Mumbai. It is going to be one of the biggest land parcel development. यहाँ पे मुंबई के अंदर 1 एकड़ 2 एकड़ 3 एकड़ की डेवलपमेंट्स होती है, वहां पे ये इंटीग्रेटेड टाउनशिप डेवलपमेंट आ रही है, जिसके अंदर इंटरनल ग्रीन स्पेसेस और क्लब हाउस उतने होंगे जितने ओवरऑल दूसरे प्रोजेक्ट्स होते हैं मुंबई के अंदर. सो द इंटरनल स्पेसेस एंड द ग्रीन स्पेसेस आर गोइंग टू बी मोर देन 3 acres. सो DLF is launching their phase 1 of their development in Mumbai. The name of the project is DLF The West Park. It's in Andheri West. The location is superb. It is diagonally opposite to Infinity Mall. और अगर आपने BPCL Lotus पेट्रोल पंप के बारे में सुना है, ये एकदम उसके adjoining है. So the location is superb. Already the ecosystem is in place. The social infrastructure is buzzing. अभी phase 1 launch हो रहा है. That is going to be around 5.6 acres, जिसके अंदर 8 टावर्स आएंगे, जिसमें से अभी 4 टावर्स का लॉन्च DLF कर रहा है. They are opening up Tower 2, Tower 3, Tower 4 and Tower 5. In total 8 towers, they are going to be 900 apartments, out of which they are opening 419 apartments. All the apartments are going to be 3 BHKs. The carpet areas of these apartments are going to be 1126 square feet to 1511 square feet. These are going to be spacious 3 BHKs with exclusive 2 car parkings with every apartment. और कुछ रेजिडेंशियल डेवलपमेंट जो इसके बगल में है, those are Lodha Ascenza, that is operating at 42,000 rupees per square feet. That is around 4 acres. The another one is Adani. That development is around 3.5 acres and that is operating at a price of 40 to 45,000 rupees per square feet. And there are 2 developments which are coming up in this particular area. That is, one is from Veena developer and the another one is from Guru Kripa. Again, these are around 2 acres of development and they are around 37 to 40,000 rupees per square feet. जहां पे इतनी छोटी छोटी डेवलपमेंट्स हैं, 2 एकड़ 3 एकड़ की, यहाँ पे हम बात कर रहे हैं 22 एकड़ की डेवलपमेंट की. जैसे कि मैंने DLF के प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बताया कि उसमें क्या साइजेस होंगे, कितने टावर्स अभी लॉन्च होने वाले हैं. इसी के साथ मैं बताना चाहूंगा, they are going to be a clubhouse and the internal green spaces of around 3 acres which is going to be massive. These apartments are going to be 2 to a core and 3 to a core. So every apartment either it's going to face towards the internal green spaces and the clubhouse or the city skyline. So there are going to be 4 basements, 2 level podium, then the ground floor is going to come and this is going to go till 37 floors. Now when we talk about the pricing and the payment plan, the pricing would be somewhere around 45,000 to 47,000 rupees per square feet. So the apartments are going to range from around 5.5 crores and goes up to around 7 crores. And the payment plan is going to be construction linked. And trust me, if you have visited Gurgaon and if you've seen the construction quality of DLF, it beats every developer out there in the market. And the kind of ecosystem they create, the kind of club amenities they create, none of the competitor has ever done it before. And DLF has been known for creating big communities, big ecosystems. So if you are keen to invest in DLF West Park, we would be happy to assist you. Our team would be available to take your calls and sort out every query that you have. And also you can subscribe and follow us on Instagram and YouTube.